Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is display contact using Visualforce. Create a Visualforce page that displays all the contacts record. To create a Visualforce page that displays contact records, we can use Salesforce standard controller, which makes it simple to fetch and display data without needing custom Apex code. So if we are using a standard controller, then no need to write Apex code. Explanation of that particular code. So here we are using Apex page tag. In that one, first we are using a standard controller equals contact. This binds the Visualforce page to the contact object and provides automatic handling of the basic contact data operations. Second one, we are passing a record set var equals contacts. This allows us to fetch and display list of contact records. Next, Apex page block. This organizes the content into a block structure, giving it a clear, consistent layout. Next, Apex page block table. In this one, we are passing value equals contacts. It should be like in this format only. Opening curly brace, exclamatory symbol, then contacts, then closing curly brace. This binds the list of contacts to the table. Then we are creating variable equal con. Each record is temporarily stored in the con variable during iteration. Next, we are using columns. Apex column defines the columns of the table. Each column corresponds to a specific field of the contact object like email, phone, and account name. Contact name. The name of the contact is clickable and links to the contact's detail page. Other columns like email, phone, and account name show respective data for each contact record. So to do the practical, just log into our Salesforce account, and for creating the Visualforce page, we need to click on setup gear icon, developer console, right click and open link in new tab. Create a Visualforce page, we need to click on file, new, Visualforce page. So here I am creating by the name Visualforce contact. Click OK. So in this Visualforce page, Apex page, a standard controller, we are using contact, record set var contacts for fetching the data. Apex page block title, we are using contact list. In Apex page block table value, we are providing contacts and creating a variable con. In Apex column header value, we are providing contact name, and in output link value, we are providing contact id, this con.id for contacts, and we are passing the contact name and closing the output link, and this column is closed over here. Next, we are giving the value for the column contact.email. So here we are using contacts variable con dot email, and header value we are providing email. Same for phone and account name. So we are closing the page block table, page block and page. So save this Visualforce page and click on preview button. So as we had given the title contact list, it is populating over here, and then contact name, email, phone and account name for this particular contact. So we are able to see that contact names are clickable but not phone and account name. Why it is like this? Because we had used Apex output link to make it clickable. So all the contacts name, email, phone and respected account name is populating over here. If all we need to click on this clickable contact, so if I am clicking Alan Flynn, so it is redirecting to the detail page of that particular contact. So this is Alan Flynn and detail. Like this we are fetching all the contacts without writing the Apex class by Visual Force. Thank you.